Dear parents, teachers, and protectors of our children, I am Lylan from the world of Atapuma. On the journey of life, friendship is a treasure. Be like Ivan, who accompanies with empathy, like Santiago, who listens and asks questions, like Raul, who brings people together with joy, and like Paula, who resolves situations with kindness. And if you make mistakes, remember Lolita, who learned to apologize. With empathy, communication, and understanding, you will cultivate valuable relationships and become an unforgettable friend. Next, I leave you with some practical recommendations and fun games to work on these topics with children. Take note. 1. Emotion game with Lola and her friends. Objective: to foster empathy and understanding of emotions. Preparation: print images of Lola and her friends expressing different emotions. How to play: place the images in a circle on the floor. Ask the children to choose an image that represents how they feel at that moment. Encourage them to share why they chose that emotion. The other participants can offer words of support or share similar experiences. 2. Thank you and apology cards. Objective: to promote gratitude and conflict resolution. Preparation: provide coloured cards, stickers, and pens. How to play: invite children to think of something they are grateful for or an apology they would like to express. Using the cards and decorating materials, encourage them to create a card to give thanks or apologise. They can give the cards to a friend, family member, or classmate. 3. Role-playing with Lola's characters. Objective: to develop conflict resolution skills through play. Preparation: assign each child a character from Lola the Parrot. How to play: provide fictional conflict situations that could occur among the characters. The children must act as their characters, trying to resolve the conflict positively. Afterwards, encourage them to reflect on how they felt and how they could have handled the situation differently. 4. Painting feelings in Lola's landscape. Objective: to explore artistic expression as a way to communicate emotions. Preparation: provide paper, coloured pencils, and markers. How to play: ask the children to imagine the landscape surrounding Lola's home during a conflict. Give them the freedom to draw how they would feel in that environment. Afterwards, they can share their creations and talk about the emotions they represent. 5. The communication party with Lola's birds. Objective: to encourage open and positive communication. Preparation: organise a party with colourful decorations and cheerful music. How to play: invite the children to participate in different activities that promote communication, such as guessing games, charades, or simply sharing funny anecdotes. Encourage them to express themselves openly and actively listen to others. 6. Empathy tree. Objective: to foster empathy and understanding of emotions. How to do it: draw a large tree on a poster or board. Ask the children to write or draw situations in which they felt empathy or were understood. Place these fruits of empathy on the branches of the tree, creating a beautiful visual reminder of positive experiences. 7. Friendship puzzle. Objective: to highlight the importance of collaboration and friendship. How to do it: give each child a piece of a puzzle. Invite them to decorate their piece with things that represent friendship and collaboration. Put all the pieces together to reveal a shared message about the importance of working together. 8. Conflict theatre. Objective: to practice conflict resolution through role-playing. How to do it: assign characters from the story of Lola the Parrot to the children. Provide conflict situations and encourage them to act out how they would resolve those problems. Afterwards, reflect on the solutions and discuss alternatives. 9. Magic apology box. Objective: to promote the importance of apologising and forgiving. How to do it: decorate a box with bright and magical colours. Invite the children to write small apology or thank you notes and place them in the box. Encourage them to share the notes during a special moment, fostering openness and forgiveness. 10. Collaboration mural. Objective: to highlight the importance of working together. How to do it: Place a large mural paper on an accessible wall. Provide art materials and ask the children to draw or write how they can collaborate and help one another. At the end, they will have a colourful mural that represents the strength of collaboration. These activities aim to bring the themes of Lola the Parrot to life in a practical and engaging way, creating meaningful experiences for children in the process of learning about conflict resolution and healthy relationships. May fun and learning continue to be intertwined. On behalf of myself and all the members of the world of Atapuma, thank you for being the pillars of support, the sources of inspiration, and the loving guides in the development of future generations. If this capsule touched your heart, follow us for more content that inspires, supports, and strengthens families.